Regarding the hillside development, I understand there is a blanket ban by the current state government that there will be no hillside development. So that it came to my notice by some of the residents near Shamrock that earlier on a developer had submitted a plan for 37-story high-rise. That was rejected. Now, subsequently, I am made to understand the same developer has resubmitted the plan, but changed the specification to 22 stories and 4 bungalows. So the point that I wish to stress and I'm concerned is if there is a blanket ban, then developers should not even bother to apply. You understand what I mean? Because it's banned. So how come these sort of applications can be entertained by the council? So that's why I want clarification from the Chief Minister that this ban is still on, and if that is the case, then to make an announcement that prospective developers need not even come forward to put in such planning for permission.
What's the worries of the residents?
The residents there do not want any high-rise. Number one, because it is a hillside project. You know, in Batu Peringgi, you already know clearly in the Batu Peringgi, that area near Ratu Mutiara, that area, that corridor is full of hillside developments whereby we have high-rises on very steep slopes. So this is another one that is being proposed. But of course, those earlier ones were the earlier government they approved. So that's why these sort of new things that are happening, these sort of new applications happening in this current government, I want some clarification. You see, that they will stick to their word, because that was what was said before by our Chief Minister, and the residents there also are concerned.